Hey everybody, and welcome back to another part of the never-ending fixing an Xbox series. Last time we left off, I was repairing the drive. I was trying to replace this over here. Hopefully you guys can see that fine. This small chip right there. It's not gonna... And basically, I tried it a bunch of times, and I couldn't get it to work. It's that chip over there. I didn't catch it in the video, but I basically replaced it. So this is like another donor board that I had. I'll insert all the parts, but basically I couldn't remember which chip goes where, and I also think that I kept doing it wrong, so I will attach some videos of me trying. But this was the one that was on board, as you see there. It's basically what this is the main chip that controls the drive. So in case if you guys don't know, every drive, this is paired to this, which is paired to this. So when you're swapping drive, you usually swap this motherboard. As you guys have probably seen in other videos, you swap this from the original drive to the new drive to get the new drive to work, or else if it isn't, it won't read. So the issue I was having was when I would swap the chip, because I broke my original one. Let me see. So I think the drives have this sensor right here. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Yeah. Anyway, they have this sensor right here, which I think reads when the disc gets inserted. So I think the disc, when it goes in, it switches this sensor for open and closed, and mine was messed up, so I never thought about changing this. So I thought the drive was done, but like I said, I kept swapping this over and over to new drives. So like I said, here's one, here's another. I tried it like 3 times, and I actually kind of gave up on the screen. It's been probably a year. I kept trying, and I finally think I got it to work. So what I did was I used my heating station, to heat it on, and then to get it set right, I used my soldering iron right there to just kind of go around the edges to make sure it's fine. But I think it works. Let me plug in a power cable and we'll test it out. So let's power it on and see what happens. Oh, where's my power? There we go. So console should turn on. Come on. There we go. Fan spinning, lights on. It's gonna do that. And here we go. So it's gonna power on fine, that I know. So the issue I was having in the other parts, if you guys saw part 1 and 2, was for some reason when I put in the discs, it just wouldn't read it. I know it has something to do with the chip. Let's see if it'll read it. So that's a good sign. At least it's taking it in this time. I hear it reading. Hopefully you guys can hear that too. And if I get an installation, then we know we're golden. I know everything looks kind of crazy. It's just because I haven't put anything back together or any of that, because, you know, this is kind of being done on a whim, randomly, because I have nothing else to do. And look at that right there. Let's see, let's go to games. Q. Oh, where is it? Why isn't it installing? Well, either way, we have it right there. NBA 2K14, and if I click on it, there we go. It's being installed as we speak. So looks like I finally got it. I wish this video was a little bit more concise, but like I said, I got kind of tired of having the camera on trying to fix it. So I kind of did it off camera, and as we see, it kind of decides to work. So With that being said, would I recommend this repair to someone? Not really. If you don't have the tools or the skills, I mean, you could keep trying like I did, but every time I bought a Blu-ray drive, it was about 28 bucks, so 3 Blu-ray drives, 2460, probably like $80 for 3 Blu-ray drives. I mean, the console was like trash on eBay, but $80 plus a console, that's a lot of money. I also had to replace the hard drive, as you guys saw in part 1. It's just, yeah, for this kind of repair, if it's something as simple as like your drive needs to be repaired, then yeah, sure. If not, then you have to do these intricate parts. If you probably don't have the skills, probably not worth it. You're probably just going to end up wasting your time and money. I mean, you can probably learn something, because I did learn a lot from that, and I do now feel more confident with like these type of repairs. As you see, this is the console, that's the other chip. It's literally like it's really, really, like, that's me zooming in to 105 millimeters to even show you what it looks like. It's tiny. With that being said, if you guys like this type of repair stuff or want to see me fix something else, let me know down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about like repairing an Xbox One, the original S, X, any console, anything, I'll try to answer them in the comments. Just leave them. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.